If you live in Oregon, Washington, Colorado, or Alaska and enjoy using legal recreational marijuana, then look out. Because Christie is going to be coming after you if he's elected as president. At a town hall meeting in Newport, New Hampshire, he said, quote, "If you're getting high in Colorado today, enjoy it. As of January 2017, I will enforce the federal laws." And now he described the legal marijuana laws as, quote, "lawlessness," and said, if you want to change the marijuana laws, go ahead and change the national marijuana laws. Now, it's a fact that marijuana is still technically illegal at the federal level, and it's still classified as a Schedule I drug, meaning it's more dangerous than meth and heroin and has no accepted medical use. But we know that that's bogus. I mean, this is classified as a Schedule I drug, even though it's been proven by studies that marijuana is less harmful than alcohol, and also that less people have died from marijuana overdoses than caffeine overdoses. But you don't see anyone trying to ban caffeine, do you? So if you think that this is an acceptable categorization, well, then you're just unreasonable. That's just true. So now, furthermore, like all Republicans, Christie, he likes to tout himself as a pro-states' rights kind of guy. Now, he was quoted in March of this year saying, "It was the states that created the federal government, not the federal government that created the states. We need to get back to that philosophy." Okay. Well, then take your own advice. See, Pew Research finds that 53% of Americans want recreational marijuana to be legal. And when you control for generational differences, 68% of millennials want pot legalized. Now, millennial voters often turn out in higher numbers during the presidential elections, so they could potentially sway the election. So now, with these facts in mind, this is not a winnable position. And this is a civil liberties issue. But I mean, Christie has proven time and again that he's anti-civil liberties. When you look at his stance on the NSA, he is anti-Edward Snowden. He's pro-spying. And look, to be fair, Barack Obama has the same position. But I mean, that's not okay. If you tout yourself as a pro-states' rights kind of guy, well, then you should be in favor of these legal marijuana laws. Because again, marijuana doesn't hurt anybody. You can't ban things that you don't like if they're not hurting anybody. If people aren't doing things to other people that are harmful, then it's not a problem. I could see if people were forcing other individuals to smoke marijuana and strap them to a chair and sticking a blunt in their mouth, but that's not what's happening. That's not the case. So, look, overall, this is just stupid. And so much for being a principled states' rights kind of guy, right, Christie? Because, I mean, if you're pro-states' rights, then be consistent. See, I've already stated before, I don't care. I'm states' rights on some issues, and I'm pro-federal government on other issues. I don't care. As long as I get the policy position that I think is just, that I think is effective, then that's what I want. But at least I stated. You see, if you want to be consistent, if you tout yourself as a straight shooter, well, then don't contradict yourself.